People of Igbo Land, people of Nigeria, I am currently at Uke in Mpu, Aninri local government area of Enugu State. You can see one man's Yam Barn. It's unbelievable. You know, we thought initially that the Igbos no longer farm. But what I'm seeing here is unbelievable. His name is Mr. Uzo Ogbonna. He's from Uke in Mpu, Aninri local government area of Enugu State. Honestly, I cannot count how many yams I can see here. But what I know is that they are in their thousands. You can see he tied them of different sizes. You know, in Igbo we call it Oba. In my area we call it Oba Ji. But the Englishman calls it Yam Barn. Initially we saw our grandfathers doing things like this, but I can't believe that a man of this generation can have such. I am telling you that this is happening in Uke, in Mpu Community, Aninri local government of Enugu State. Honestly, if you come here, you will be shocked on what you will see. Mr. Ogbonna is here with me live. I came for an event here, and I was called to see this. The thing is left, right, and center, and properly positioned in a way that you'll be wondering the scientific method he used in putting all this together. This is unbelievable. This is a blessing. This is something we never expected that should continue. Mana Igbo kanwelife. Actually, Igbo awugo. We don't know that we still have something like this. This is unbelievable, my people. This is unbelievable in Enugu State. When you call a local government Aninri, this is actually the proper explanation of the Aninri. It is truly Aninri. You can see the sizes of this yam. This is not a yam bought from Benue or Zakibiam market. This is happening in Enugu State. It has about 4 sections. The Yam Barn has about 4 sections. I'm just crossing about 2 to 3 sections. I've not even seen the other side. But what I'm seeing here is marvelous. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. They are even taking me to more sections of the Yam Barn. This place is a place that Ohaneze Ndi Igbo and the governors should come and study. This man is worthy of an award. What he's doing here is unbelievable. Look at the other section of it also. Still the same Yam Barn. I'm coming from behind now, heading to where the yams are placed. If you even look below, you still see small pieces of it. But these are the giant ones tied here. This is truly a farmer. If you go to some other parts of Igbo Land, they can actually call somebody like him Ezeji. Look at this. It's more than 4 sections, as I said initially. This is about 7 to 6 sections of the Yam Barn. This is, remember, this is happening at Uke in Mpu, Aninri local government area of Enugu State. And today is Friday, 27th of February, 2026. This is unbelievable. I said 7 initially, but I can see about another section, bigger one, making it up to 8. This man is truly the king of yam in Igbo Land. If you have a bigger Yam Barn in Igbo Land, show us. This is the biggest Yam Barn in Igbo Land. I don't think any bigger one exists anywhere. From Anambra to Imo to Enugu to Abia to Ebonyi, even to some other places in Igbo Land like Delta and Rivers. If you have any bigger Yam Barn that is bigger than that of Uzo Ogbonna, you can show us. But from what I've seen here, there is none. This is the biggest. This is the greatest. This is actually unbelievable. You can see I am just passing through the back of it now. I'm just going through the back side of it, then heading back to the outside part of it, the exit route. It is big. It is huge. It is something I never believed that will ever happen. Uzo Ogbonna, biko gbakena ife na-eme ebe a. Onye ka ịbụ sa?
Uzo Ogbonna Tobias. I'm onye Uke Mpu na Aninri local government. I'm onye ọrụ ugbo.
Onye ọrụ ugbo. Afọ ole ka ibido mebe ife nwa?
apekata mpe mpanwu na June 1483
Pagi nwụrụ
na June 1483.
Okay, 1983.
83. By then, I'm payload operator in Niger State.
Okay.
Chirodo Dam. So when my dad left, not always on a dam, it is your rubo. Museum na 86.
Okay. Kemgbe ahụ ji ka ị na-akọ. Ife ndị ọ ife emelụ na farm gị n'afọ ahụ.
Yes.
Ife ndị a ife iritere n'uru n'afọ ahụ.
Yes.
Ewe n'iwe biko ị na-eletakwa ego n'ife a?
Enu, I am MGC na m chọrọ ka m ree ebe a niile clearance ma ntewe ya.
Okay, ya na ị na-idiri ndị ga-azụpụ gị ji ya. Ya ebe ọbụla afọ ndị na-azụ ji si kpọba.
Yes.
Mana Aba, mana Ọnịcha, mana Enugu.
Even though na ebe ọbụla Enugu.
Si kpọba gị n'igwe. N'ihi aza. Mgbe na ife ya eme ya ka ọ dịkwa izi. Kakwa mma na ịkpọrọ phone nọmba gị. So that ndị ya anụ ya akpọba gị directly na ọ bụrụ mmụọ. Akpọba gị directly ọ ya aka mma ịzaba fanyebefa direction of your life. You can actually do that.
090
Okay.
78191087.
Kpọkwa ya ọzọ.
090 78191087.
Ị nwere nọmba ọzọ?
Mba.
Okay. Mgbe nyefa direction onye si Enugu na-abịa kedu ka o si enweta ebe a?
Irute ha Enugu. Ya bụ na ịgbara Enugu pụta ha na nke sinetike kwere mmadụ. Si Uke ịbata n'Uke gasị ka onye na-akpọ Uzo Ogbonna ya. Ma ọ Papa Eze. Ịgbọ ha Papa Eze na mgbagote ebe a onweghị onye ama ha. Maybe ndị na-ama dat na bebe nke sinetọ. He ga-akpọrọ ebe ma baa.
Okay. Nsogbu adịrọ sa. Deme o.